My daughter's birthday was over the weekend, and we all celebrated as a family. Obviously, of course, you still celebrate a birthday every year on the day you were born. That kind of thing doesn't change in Japan compared to other countries. I think a lot of this stuff is very similar. You get gifts from family and friends. Oftentimes there's a cake involved, and usually a little celebration. Maybe mom makes your favorite meal for dinner, those kinds of things. Sometimes families might go out to dinner, but in that sense it's very similar. The cakes are made by, you can get some at grocery stores, but they're never like the big, sheet cakes like we have in the States that have big gaudy colors and flowers and stuff all over them. They're more refined. The whole bakery system in Japan kind of mimics more kind of things that you find in Europe and not the American style, which is actually a good thing because Americans don't know how to make good cakes. So I know I'm going to make a lot of Americans mad, but trust me, you guys, we do sweetness overload and it's just not good. So Japan has a beautiful sense of making things tasteful and tasty. So it's a good way to have a good cake. So, but we had cake, we had a party. My daughter got a lot of really fun and cool things this year. She got a new Tamagotchi. This is the new Tamagotchi. It's not new. I say that's new. It's been out for a couple of years now. But it's like full color. Isn't that crazy? I'm like amazed because I remember when Tamagotchi first came out and it wasn't even like, it was like 1/8 this size and just black. So she got that, which made her super happy. And then she got a bunch of these kind of make your own snack kits. And so this is the one I'm going to show you guys today that I made. And I'll show you the video here after this of putting this together so you can kind of get an idea of what it is. But pretty crazy. So I'll see you guys back after we've made it. Hi you guys, I thought I'd go ahead and show you one of the things that my daughter has been kind of going crazy over, and we got a couple of these kinds of things for her birthday over the weekend. And the item I was going to show you guys is this Hamburger. So this is a little kind of candy that you find in the candy aisle, and what it is it's just basically gummy candy that you can then kind of arrange to create these hamburgers. And then for the bun you have this kind of like, it's called monaka. It's kind of like ice cream cone, but you can, a lot of times you find it here in Japan where it's like an ice cream sandwich, but the outer casing is all ice cream cone. It's really cool. I'll have to show you guys that sometime. But so this is kind of what it looks like. Like I said, this is on the candy aisle in Japan, and you buy this and then just kind of make your own snack. These kinds of things are so popular right now. Make your own snacks. It's kind of silly, I think, but the kids love it. So I thought I'd go ahead and open this up and show you guys how it looks. So this is just what it looks like on the outside. It's made by Meiji. And let's see what we've got inside. So I love all the awesome American colors here, because in Japan, like hamburgers equals America. That and hot dogs. So you could tell they're like totally playing to that. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Ooh, it's so colorful. Yay. All right. So inside we've got just this little bit here. And the directions are on the front and they're pretty clear. It's just, separate the monaka and then just pile it up and put a little jam in place of ketchup and you've got a delicious snack. So go ahead and see what we got here. We got a little bag of gummies that are shaped like burgers and lettuce and cheese. Our pouch full of jam, which is our, or ichigo sauce is what it says, like strawberry sauce, which will serve as our ketchup. And then down here we have these cute little guys, and this is what I was talking about. This is the monaka. You can kind of see it kind of looks like it looks exactly and it tastes exactly like an ice cream cone, but it can be used here. You see a lot of times there's like a anko or a sweet red bean sauce that's inside these. So what you have to do here is just pop these in half and kind of make them the shape that you want them to be your burger. So we've got 1, 2 here. And I can do 3. So this gives you a kit to be able to make 3 little burger gummy snacks. So we have the part here that's more got these little bumps on it to represent like sesame kind of bun, and then the base right here. So if we open up the Gummy section here. Let me get this stuff cleaned up. Open up the Gummy here. You can see all these yummy, delicious things we've gotten here. We have obviously the ones here that look like they're burger. And these are actually cola flavored. Ooh, cola flavored hamburger patty. Yummy. Only in Japan, right? Now, we have awesome Gummy candies in the States too. Little fishies and soda cans and all those kinds of things. So this really isn't that weird when you think about it, right? Then we have the nice lettuce, guys. These look cool, right? And this is flavored like green apple. And then we have just a couple slices of cheese, I guess. And the cheese ones are flavored like pineapple. Cool. That's cool. So, little pineapple cheese and some green apple lettuce and some cola flavored burger bun. And then, you know, you just kind of put it together the way you want to. I take one of these little guys here and, you know, put whichever, start off with a little patty of beef there. And then maybe I'll put a little slice of cheese and a little bit of lettuce on top. And then you can take the strawberry jam that we have here. And in Japan, awesome thing always, all these packs always have a little niche in them to make it easier to open. So find that. And then just tear it open here. And then you can squeeze a little bit of this strawberry sauce on here. And it really does just look like jam. You'd think they could have made it a little darker red. That's a little disappointing. But so you get a little bit of jam there, and then you put your little bit of stuff on top there, and you should get a nice completed Gummy. We say like Gummy, a gummy candy, little hamburger there. Doesn't that look tasty? So I'll show you guys how that tastes when, I don't know if you guys want to watch me eat this, but yeah. Well, I'll talk to you guys later on the other side of this. So if you guys just saw the video of how to make these like burger Gummy snacks that we just talked about, I don't know if I really want to eat a whole bunch of them together. Let's see here. I had a burger and a cheese and a lettuce with a little bit of the strawberry jam on top to be like my ketchup. So you get this kind of juicy looking burger thing. That's like way too huge. How can even a kid put that in their mouth? So supposedly if I eat all of this, I'm supposed to have this cola, pineapple, green apple explosion. Oh, and a little bit of strawberries. So yeah, so that was a lot to eat. I wouldn't recommend putting them all together in your mouth. If you're a little kid, that'd be really hard to chew. Probably a choking hazard. I'd say eat these separately. But still kind of cute to make. So so that was just kind of a review of what one of the presents was that my daughter got.